Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to transfer money from Wells Fargo to Cash App. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official application on your mobile phone. So you're going to need the Cash App application. If you do not already have it, you can just go to the App Store and download it. So go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, go into the search section and search for Cash App. Search for Cash App, find the application and install it. And once you install it successfully, you can go ahead and get started logging in. So you can log in with your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is going to be the home page where you can take a look at your cash balance, you can find your savings options and all the other settings that you have. And now we can get started. So basically guys, what we want to do to be able to transfer from Wells Fargo to Cash App is to connect those two accounts. So what we're going to do right here is click in this home page right here in the upper right corner. You're going to go ahead and take a look at your profile icon. So in the profile icon at the top of the corner, you want to click on it. This is going to open up a new settings menu. So by opening up the settings menu, one of the options that you can access is going to be called linked banks. So you want to click on the linked banks accounts and then go ahead and open it up. And this is going to enable you to add any bank that you want to use. So one of the options is going to be called Wells Fargo. You want to go and find Wells Fargo, and once you find it, you want to go and get started connecting. You want to log into your bank account, and once you log into your account, it's going to be automatically connected to your Cash App, and now we can get started. So basically, guys, by linking those two accounts, now your cash balance is going to be usable in Wells Fargo, and vice versa, guys. All the money that you have in Wells Fargo is going to be transferable to your Cash App right here, so you can go ahead and transfer using that option right there, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.